August 15, 1977. A radio telescope in Ohio picks up a signal so unusual, the astronomer reviewing the data circles it in red ink and writes a single word, "Wow." For 72 seconds, this bizarre transmission floods the receiver. A narrowband radio bursts 30 times louder than the background noise of space. Then, just as suddenly as it appeared, it vanishes. To this day, that signal remains one of the most tantalizing mysteries in astronomy. Was it our first real contact with an alien civilization, or something else entirely? Let's break down what makes this signal so special. First, its frequency, 1420 MHz. That's the exact wavelength emitted by hydrogen, the most abundant element in the universe. It's often called the universal water hole, a logical channel for aliens to broadcast on if they wanted to be heard. Second, its shape. The signal peaked and faded exactly as you'd expect if it came from a distant point in space. And third, its origin. The constellation Sagittarius, near a star system scientists had specifically targeted in their search for extraterrestrial intelligence. But here's where it gets frustrating. Despite decades of searching, the WOW signal was never detected again, not once. Astronomers have pointed telescopes at that same patch of sky over 100 times. They've scanned millions of frequencies. Silence. So what could explain it? Some scientists proposed comets. Maybe their hydrogen clouds emitted the signal. But detailed analysis showed no known comets were in the right position at the time. Others suggested it might have been a military satellite or secret spacecraft. But human technology doesn't transmit at that exact frequency, and the signal's characteristics don't match any known man-made source. The most chilling possibility? It was a one-time interstellar broadcast, a cosmic flare gun shot in our direction, never to be repeated. Modern projects like Breakthrough Listen now scan the skies with far more sensitive equipment. But that 72-second burst from 1977 remains unique. A fleeting whisper from the cosmos that checks every box for an alien transmission, except the one that matters most: repeatability. Maybe it was a glitch, maybe it was aliens, or maybe it's proof that the universe is far stranger than we've ever imagined. One thing's certain, until we hear it again, the WOW signal will keep haunting astronomers and fueling our dreams of contact. Because in a universe this vast, the most terrifying possibility isn't that we heard aliens, it's that we might never know for sure.